Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Nissan Qashqai. Now of course you get front parking sensors as standard. You also get LED headlights and daytime running lights. You also get a front camera included on this car as well. Then coming into the side we get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. So these are a 19-inch alloy wheel. But coming around to the rear, as you'll notice, you get 4 rear parking sensors. You also then get a reversing camera just above the registration, just there. Then coming into the tailgate itself, as you can see, we've got a multi-level boot floor, so you can simply pull forward, drop down, and everything will go into place like so, and keep a nice flat flush surface, just so you can store more objects in the rear. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your full leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. You've got full keyless entry. You've got an electric driver's seat. And then coming into the middle, we've got your automatic gearbox just here. Electric handbrake, dual climate control. Then coming up to the top, we've got your touchscreen display, which of course you can see we have your satellite navigation. We've then got your various audio sources just here. We've got your multiple different views, so you can tap in the corner or press the camera and it will change accordingly. Then over to the steering wheel now. We've got your volume, track select, return button. The arrows and the OK control your onboard computer. On the right hand side we've got your cruise control there as well with your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 41,322 miles. Now of course in the middle I did miss these out, but you do have your heated seats just here. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.